seat in front of you.
Thanks for joining me aboard Hawaiian Airlines Flight 10 from Honolulu to Los Angeles. The flight time to LA is 5 hours and 15 minutes. This A330 was delivered to Hawaiian Airlines in early 2015, making it 3.5 years old at the time of this flight. Seating in economy, referred to as the main cabin in the USA, is in a 2-4-2 configuration. There are 260 seats in economy.
Bags are stowed safely, which means completely beneath the seat in front of you. Pushed all the way into the cabin. For your safety as well as comfort, Hawaiian is pleased to offer you a smoke-free cabin. Smoking is prohibited in the lounge. Ensure all of you and your bags are on board. We'll close the doors, push back from the gate, taxi to the runway. Once we're airborne, 5 hours, 15 minutes. We're starting off at 39,000 feet.
We love our home.
When you return, please fasten your seatbelt. Your compliance with the fasten seatbelt and no smoking signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions is required.
Note that e-cigarettes are prohibited.
Personal electronic devices, including mobile phones, may be used at any time during the flight. However, they must be set to airplane mode with all transmittal features turned on. Laptops and items equivalent in size must be stowed during taxi, takeoff, and landing.
It's quite a long taxi out to runway 08 right, which is known as the Reef Runway because it's built offshore on coral. It's highly unlikely such a runway would be allowed to be built today, given the environmental damage that it would have caused. Hawaiian's fleet includes 24 of these Airbus A330-200s, which operate many of their medium and long-haul flights. Hawaiian typically operates 3 flights a day on this route to Los Angeles International, all with their A330s, though they also have a daily flight to Long Beach Airport in one of their new A321neo aircraft.
districts of the city of Honolulu, the bowl-shaped crater Atlantis Punchbowl Crater, site of the National Memorial Cemetery of the Pacific. The first sandy strip is the Ala Moana Beach and Park area. Further along the coastline is Waikiki Beach, followed by Janet Hill. Atlanta, the base of the hill, a white cluster of buildings. These belong to the University of Hawaii and the East-West Center. As we leave Oahu, the last landmarks will be Coco Head and Coco Crater.
That's the island of Molokai, also called the Friendly Isle. It's the last substantial piece of land we'll see before reaching mainland USA. We climb to an initial cruise altitude of 39,000 feet, though once we've burnt a bit more fuel, we'll eventually reach 41,000 feet later in the flight. 。 Brunch included strawberry yogurt, fruit and a pastry. After collecting the trays, the cabin crew handed out dark chocolate covered macadamia nuts. Yum! Let's take a look at the fares on this route. Typical prices in the main cabin with seat selection are $269 one way. I paid $289 for my ticket, as the prices do vary depending on the dates, and you can find flights for under $220 US. The vast majority of this flight is spent over the North Pacific, so there's not a huge amount of variety to see out the window. The change in air pressure as we descended into LA clearly caused some people to spit the dummy. We got a good view of downtown LA in the distance. And that, unfortunately, is where this journey ends. My memory card ran out of space right after landing. Here are a couple of snaps from my time in LA. Overall, this was a comfortable and enjoyable flight. I'd definitely fly Hawaiian Airlines again. I've got one more video from this USA trip to post, and it's a great one. A sunset departure out of Seattle with views of Mount Rainier. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time.